Happy Mid-Autumn Festival!
Today we're going to unbox the Mooncake gift set given by a lovely friend. This is a product from Casa Hana. It's a 2-piece mooncake set.
This purple color metal box can convert it to a beautiful tissue box.
Let's see what are the flavors here. Pure lotus, no sugar added version. This is perhaps a good choice for people who are on diet program and plan to reduce sugar intake. Mixed nuts. The fillings consist of walnut, almond, melon seed, white sesame, winter melon and dried citrus.
Let's try putting tissue pack inside.
No problem, dear. Here you are.
Lovely!
Now, let's see what do we have inside another mooncake gift box. This is a storage box design.
Could I have it as my stationery case, please?
Of course, dear. Shanghai Tango. Royale Osmanthus. Seems a trendy flavor.
The light yellowish outlook is trendy too. Why not trying these two?
As you wish. So we try Royale Osmanthus first.
Oh great! This is a yellow full round moon. I like it.
This is the traditional Shanghai mooncake.
Hi, this is Hill and Cerise from Kudos2U channel.
Kudos2U is a discovery channel featuring good food and traveling trips. If you're interested in food, no matter from a cafe, restaurant or local stall, or even convenient food like instant noodles and ramen, you may just subscribe this channel to get food updates weekly.
Don't miss the exciting foodie journey with us. Just 3 clicks. You will have various food updates every week. Click subscribe, click the bell, click all.
Then we're all set for our virtual foodie journey every Tuesday. There are soft osmanthus paste at the heart of the mooncake fillings. Super soft flowy osmanthus paste. The osmanthus taste stands out. Such a creative choice of flavor, my favorite. Yellowish baked skin is another creative idea. Overall, feel awesome for Royale Osmanthus flavor. Shanghai mooncake comes with flowy soft salted egg in the heart of the mooncake. The salted egg fillings give a hint of savory to the mooncake, a perfect match to the sweet lotus paste. Meeting my expectation for Shanghai mooncake. Not bad.
Time for food review. For Kudos score, out of 10 points.
8.5 points for today's foodie experience.
Kudos score is a simple measuring tool indicating our personal experience and preference at the time being.
No advertising or slandering attempts throughout the video production.